Have you ever wished there was a painless way to save for your future without feeling like you're sacrificing your present? Well, what if I told you there's a little acorn that could help you grow your money while you live your life? Intrigued? Let's talk about Acorns and how to set up direct deposit to watch your savings sprout. Understanding Acorns. Before we dive into the direct deposit setup, let's quickly break down what Acorns is. In essence, it's an investing app that rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. But it's more than that. It's a financial tool that can help you build wealth over time, almost effortlessly. Imagine every latte you buy turning into a tiny investment in your future. That's the magic of Acorns. Why direct deposit? Now, why would you want to set up direct deposit? Think of it as planting a bigger acorn. Instead of small, consistent investments from your spare change, you are now sowing larger, more frequent seeds into your financial garden. This accelerates your growth potential. It's like upgrading from a watering can to a sprinkler system for your money tree. Setting the stage. All right, let's get down to business. To set up direct deposit on Acorns, you'll need a few things: your Acorns account, of course, your bank account information, and a bit of patience. Don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. Step-by-step guide. Log in. Start by logging into your Acorns account. Ensure you're using the app or website, whichever you prefer. Find the settings, look for the gear icon, settings button, or something similar. This is usually where you manage your account details. Direct deposit. Navigate to the section related to deposits or funding. You should find an option for direct deposit. Click on it. Bank information. You'll be prompted to enter your bank account details. This typically includes your bank's routing number and your account number. Double-check these numbers for accuracy. One wrong digit can lead to a detour for your money. Amount. Decide how much you want to direct deposit. Remember, it's your money, so choose an amount that works for you. Whether it's a small trickle or a steady stream, every dollar counts. Deposit schedule. Some platforms allow you to set a deposit schedule. You can choose to deposit a specific amount on a particular day of the month or week. This can help you budget and plan. Review and confirm. Once you've entered all the information, review it carefully. Mistakes can happen, so take your time. When everything looks good, confirm your direct deposit setup. Tips and tricks. Start small. If you're new to investing, start with a smaller direct deposit amount and gradually increase it as you get comfortable. Automate your finances. Combine direct deposit with auto investing to create a truly hands-off investment strategy. Diversification. Remember, Acorns invests your money in a diversified portfolio. This spreads your risk, which is crucial for long-term investing. Check your account. After setting up direct deposit, keep an eye on your Acorns account to ensure the funds are transferring correctly. Additional considerations. Fees. Be aware of any potential fees associated with direct deposit or your Acorns account. Investment goals. Consider your financial goals when determining the amount to direct deposit. Emergency fund. Ensure you have an emergency fund before aggressively investing. Conclusion. Setting up direct deposit on Acorns is a simple yet powerful step towards building your financial future. By automating your savings and investing, you're taking advantage of compound interest, your greatest ally in the world of investing. Remember, small acorns can grow into mighty oaks. With consistent contributions, you're well on your way to achieving your financial aspirations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.